Assalamualaikum everyone. So today in this video you will get that how to download Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop, which is basically a photo editing app, and you have also seen many videos in YouTube of Photoshop editing. It is very famous. So for that, first of all, our first step is to install Photoshop for editing photos and climate, weather, etc. So first of all, we'll go in Microsoft Edge, and here we will write Google, www.google.com, and in Google tab, in Google search bar, we will write get into PC. We'll click on enter. Get into PC. Photoshop, enter. So in the first link we'll click on it, and this interface will appear in front of us. So we'll go down, scroll down, and here is Photoshop PS. So from here we can download it. So we will download 64-bit. If your computer is 64-bit, so you can download this, and if your computer is 32-bit, so you can download the other one. My 64-bit, so password is 123. When you will log in, so you will enter the password 123. So I think so 32-bit is not present, so you will have to do 64-bit. So we'll click on 64-bit. So after clicking on it, here the downloading has started, so it will take time in downloading. So till now I will make this video, so the next part will come tomorrow or day after tomorrow when it will be downloaded, because now it will take time. So for that to be continued.